Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss JEE Advanced 2022 question paper 2, which is question number 5, and this question is talking about if beta is equal to limit x tends to 0 e to the power x cube minus 1 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 into sin x divided by x sin square x is beta, then you have to find the value of 6 beta. Okay, so look at the question. In denominator we have x sin square x, right? So if x tends to 0, denominator is 0. What have to numerator? E to the 0 become 1, this becomes 0, we'll get 1 minus 1 0, so sin 0 is 0. So this is nothing but 0 by 0 form, correct? So one method is apply L'Hopital rule. We can do by L'Hopital rule, but if we apply L'Hopital rule, once you need to apply this, you need to apply this term, then you apply product rule here. So you need to apply more than one times, right? So it is little bit lengthy and time consuming. So another good method is by using Taylor series expansion, but in order to use Taylor series expansion we need the expansion of e to the power x, expansion of this, and expansion of sin x. You know, in Taylor series expansion it is an infinite series, right? It is go starting from if you know derivative, in the derivative power starting, then it is go to infinite time, but we don't need infinite time. Previously if you solve any question in Taylor series, you know we need up to some extent such that in the denominator the degree should be maximum, that up to that term we have to expand. Suppose denominator degree is 3, so we need the Taylor series expansion up to x power 3. Why? After taking x cube common, since limit x tends to 0, remaining term is 0. So we will see here. First we have to try to see the denominator. Okay, in denominator, as we know, as x tends to 0, sin x is approximately nearer about to x. As x tends to 0, sin x is approximately near about to x. This implies x by sin square x is approximately near about to x and x square, nothing but x cube. So as x tends to 0, I can approximate x sin square x as x cube, correct? Another way is there to visualize this. If you don't know this, another way is I can visualize. We have, suppose I am doing the denominator, limit x tends to 0, x sin square x. So how to find this limit? This limit I can write limit x tends to 0, x as it is. This I am making sin x by x whole square. So x square I divide, so I need to multiply x square. So this is nothing but limit x tends to 0, x square into x become x cube sin x by x whole square. We know this limit tends to 1, so this is expression is nothing but limit x tends to 0, x cube. That means as x tends to 0, x sin square x tend to 0 similar to x cube. Okay, this is the meaning. Either you agree by this way or you have to convince yourself by this way and think about it. Think. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. Pause, think and proceed. Pause, think and proceed. Okay, now, so in denominator, what is the maximum power? It is x cube power 3. That means all the numerator term we need to help Taylor's, make use of Taylor series expansion up to x to the power 3. Okay, now what are the term? We have e to the power x cube. So we know e to the power x is nothing but summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power n by n, right? This is my e to the power x expansion. So e to the power x cube, but I need up to x to the power 3. So e to the power x cube become 1 plus x cube by 1 factorial. Then when I do square, x cube square by 2 factorial plus dot dot dot. But this term become x power 6, right? But I need up to x cube. So this is nothing but 1 plus x cube plus remaining term I can write order x to the power 6. I don't want this term. Okay. Now another, we need 1 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3. For that, what I am using? We know 1 plus x to the power n is nothing but 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square and so on. If you are doing minus here, this should be minus, this should be plus, this should be minus and so on. So 1 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3, this is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 3 minus x cube plus remaining power 2 means order 6, order x to the power 6. So this is nothing but 1 minus x cube by 3. Now remaining 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2, this is nothing but order x to the power 6. 1 minus 1 by 2 x square plus order x to the power 4. I want maximum up to order 3. And sin x is nothing but x minus x cube by 6 plus order x to the power 5. Now let me write the whole limit. So the numerator, what you will get the numerator, let me solve the numerator. It is nothing but e to the power x cube minus 1 minus x cube or 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x square power 1 by 2 minus 1 sin x, right? So you will get 1 minus x cube minus 1 minus x cube by 3 plus 1 minus x square by 2 minus 1 into x. This is nothing but 1 plus x cube minus 1 plus x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 into x. This is nothing but 4x cube divided by 3 minus x cube by 2. This is nothing but 5 by 6x cube. The remaining, which is more than, the power is more than 3. I am just forget this term. Since after taking the limit extends to 0, this becomes 0. And the denominator we know x sin square x is nothing but is approximately equal to x cube. So what is beta we got? Limit extends to 0, numerator become 5 by 6x cube and the denominator is x cube. X cube got cancelled, so we got 5 by 6 is the value of beta. Now so question is find the value of 6 beta. So 6 beta is equal to nothing but 6 into 5 by 6. 6 got cancelled, answer is 5. So the final answer is 5. So this is our answer. So I hope you understood why this is the correct answer. So if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box and follow my channel for further video. Thank you.